Welcome to the best picks. The best organic popcorn is probably one of the most delicious and healthy snacks you can enjoy, whether you're looking for a guilt-free treat to munch on during movie night or a wholesome addition to your daily diet. Choosing organic, non-GMO popcorn kernels ensures you're getting a product free from harmful pesticides and artificial modifications, allowing you to savor the pure, natural taste of this beloved snack without any compromise to your health or the environment. Today, we will explore the best organic popcorn kernels available on the market, helping you make an informed decision for your next popcorn night. Number 5. Pop and Dulge Movie Night Popcorn Kit. With this kit, you can easily transform your living room into a cozy movie theater. Gather your family and friends for a night of movie magic and delicious popcorn. It includes 5 mouth-watering flavors: classic salted butter, cheesy garlic parmesan, better white cheddar, creamy dreamy chive, and fiery hot pepper. There's a flavor for everyone to enjoy. These aren't your average popcorn kernels. They come in 3 fun colors: Golden Classic, Poppin' Blue, and Ruby Crunch, adding a visual feast to your movie night. It's ideal for birthdays, holidays, or just because. This kit is a fun and delicious way to show someone you care. Made with the highest quality ingredients, it's non-GMO, gluten-free, and OU kosher certified. Enjoy guilt-free snacking. What we like? It's the perfect gift for any occasion. This variety pack includes 5 unique popcorn seasonings to satisfy every taste bud. If you're looking for a fun and delicious gift, this is it. What people say. Each pack is perfect for 1 to 2 people. Sufficient flavoring in each packet. Cooked in my popcorn machine. Did not have a lot of kernels left in the bottom. The box comes with instructions to make the popcorn in the microwave or on the stove. It also comes with popcorn bags, and I love the variety of options they offer. First time ordering popcorn through Amazon, I definitely would order this type again. It was not only fresh and great taste, there was a great selection of different spices and kinds of popcorn. Number 4. Great Northern Popcorn Kernels. It's the perfect treat for movie nights or gatherings. This large jug ensures you'll always have enough for everyone to enjoy. These kernels are specially conditioned for amazing taste and expansion every time. The resealable jug keeps it fresh. Enjoy a guilt-free snack. It's all natural, gluten-free, and GMO-free. Pop it in your favorite popper, on the stovetop, or in the microwave. For best results, use a 3-to-1 ratio of kernels to oil. Get creative with seasonings, butter, or salt, or enjoy it plain. These are OCIA organic certified premium yellow popcorn kernels. The 7 pounds jug is perfect for sharing and measures 4.75 by 5.5 by 10.25 inches. What we like? Looking for a large quantity of organic popcorn? This 7-pound resealable jug ensures you always have enough for movie nights or parties. It's perfect for health-conscious individuals who enjoy gourmet popcorn. What people say. Heated kernels provide big and fluffy puffs, and when using my microwave's popcorn setting, I get a perfectly unburnt bowl of popcorn every time. There is always a very low unpopped to popped kernel ratio. Best popcorn I have found all around. Hardly any kernels left unpopped in the bag, and the flavor and quality of the popped corn is also the best I've found. Number 3. Trader Joe's Organic Popcorn. Looking for a delicious and healthy snack? This popcorn is a great choice. It's a whole grain, high in fiber, and low in fat and sodium. It's the perfect guilt-free treat. Enjoy this wholesome snack anytime. It's a satisfying snack that won't weigh you down. You'll love the light and airy texture. Made with only the finest organic ingredients. It's a simple, delicious snack you can feel good about. Enjoy it as is, or add your favorite seasonings. It's versatile and always satisfying. A big bag of delicious, healthy popcorn. Perfect for sharing or enjoying all by yourself. What we like? This organic popcorn is a healthy and delicious snack option. It's high in fiber and low in fat, making it a guilt-free treat. If you are looking for a healthy snacking option, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It is very tasty popcorn and pops well, leaving only a few that didn't open. It's always fresh, and has a very good flavor. It's rare that not all of the kernels pop, and when that does happen, it's very few of them. I air pop it, then add real butter, so no seed oils. Very good snack choice for me. Number 2. INTL POP 1.9 lb popcorn. Introducing 1.9 pounds of premium popcorn kernels, perfect for movie nights or any snacking occasion. These kernels are virtually hulless, meaning you get a tender, delicious popcorn every time. It comes in a convenient resealable bag to keep it fresh. These non-GMO kernels are grown right here in the USA, ensuring the highest quality. It's non-GMO, vegan, and kosher certified, making it a healthy and inclusive snack for everyone. Enjoy the delicious taste without any guilt. These golden kernels pop into a fluffy, white delight. Get ready for a big, delicious bowl of popcorn. It's a high-fiber, low-calorie snack that's surprisingly good for you. Enjoy a guilt-free treat that's both delicious and nutritious. One 1.9 pounds bag makes a whopping 110 cups of popcorn. That's enough to share with all your friends and family. These kernels are grown in the heartland of America without any chemicals or pesticides, ensuring a natural and wholesome snack. The resealable, thick stand-up bag keeps your popcorn fresh and ready to pop. Enjoy the convenience and freshness. What we like? Enjoy fluffy, white popcorn with minimal holes. This large bag makes a whopping 110 cups of popcorn, perfect for sharing. If you prefer a whole-less popcorn with maximum yield, this is your best bet. What people say. This popcorn pops fluffy, tastes delicious, and has few holes. I am very impressed with the taste, freshness, and popping quality of this popcorn. Plus, there are less holes, which was the main reason for purchasing this popcorn. Great improvement over regular popcorn. Doesn't get stuck in your teeth and has great flavor. Number 1. INTL POP Heirloom Popcorn. Introducing 1.9 pounds of our premium popcorn kernels. It's perfect for movie night or any occasion. These kernels are non-GMO, all-natural, and grown without pesticides in the USA. Enjoy a guilt-free snack. Admire the beautiful azure, ruby, and golden kernels. They all pop into fluffy, white popcorn. It's a healthy and delicious snack. Enjoy this high-fiber, low-calorie treat. This large bag makes a whopping 110 cups of popcorn. That's a lot of movie nights. Grown and made in the USA, supporting local farmers and ensuring the highest quality. What we like? Add a touch of whimsy to your movie night with these multicolored heirloom kernels. They pop into delicious white popcorn, and it's all natural. If you appreciate unique and naturally grown popcorn, this is for you. What people say. Compared to normal popcorn, this tastes much better. Having a healthier option that has not been manufactured and messed with. All popped and delicious with a little butter added. Most of these kernels pop, especially if you follow the directions on the package. This is probably the best popcorn I've ever tried. It also does well when I pop a single serving in the microwave in a brown paper lunch bag and add the melted butter after it pops. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.